Hi everyone, good morning guys. Today is April 3rd and there's nothing much going on. I went to my doctor's appointment today morning and had physiotherapy, so I'm feeling so better. I should say I'm feeling perfectly alright right now. I do not have that much shoulder pain. It's a very mild pain and that's perfectly okay for me. But still my doctor had said me to continue this physiotherapy for one more week and he will tell me all kind of exercises, and with that he said I can be back to my editing and stitching work, so there's nothing to worry about it. So today I thought I will just show you guys bits and pieces of my home. It's just that I will show you guys few things, few craft things which I have made years back. So it's just refreshing my memory. I thought you guys will enjoy it. So I had to ask you guys something. This is the machine I'm using currently. This is not my machine, this is my mom's machine, and this one is Singer 8280 model, and I feel that this is perfect one for beginner. Actually the one I am using for past 4 to 5 years is the Singer Talent, and that one is little bit advanced than that of this one, and that one is for around 13,000 I guess, and this one is around 8,000. So I feel that this one is perfect for beginners. Let me know if you guys want to have a detailed review, tell you guys everything about this machine, how to work, everything. So let me know if you guys are interested. So now I will show you guys few things, few craft things which I have made by myself. By the way guys, this cat thing which I have sticked I think 5 or 6 years back to this door, and at that point I never expected that I will get married so soon and I will have a baby. And right now Ima does play with this. Ima absolutely loves cat, and when she was playing with this, actually Vivek was asking me, I ever expect that my baby is gonna play with this? And I was like, oh my god. Time flies guys, time absolutely flies. So we do not have all the craft items which I have made. A few of them are like already damaged because it's been years, right? So this one is my favorite. So what I have done is like I have bought this mud pot and painted it. First I will just smoothen it out with sandpaper, then I've painted it with black paint. Here I have drawn a butterfly with golden paint, and I have made these flowers with this what kind of material it is, I think orgami, some kind of material, very stiff cotton material, and I think I have made more than 100 flowers like this with a bead in the middle. It's very easy to make, but then it requires a lot of patience. So kept few green leafy kind of things in between, and here is a plastic butterfly. I have kept it over here. So this is very easy to make, but as I said, it requires a lot of patience. Actually I have made this I think 7 years back, so there is dust over this. Maybe if I get time this time, I will make one more bunch of this flowers so that I can throw this out and keep another one. So this one is my favorite, I should say. And then I will show you guys few other things which I've made years back. So this painting, so let me switch on the lights. Yeah, so this painting I have made years back. I don't even remember when I made this, maybe like 10 or 15 years back I guess. So this painting I have made with glass paint, but this is not glass. What I have done is I have taken this plasticky sheet and I have drawn this painting and painted it with glass painting, and then behind this I have kept aluminium foil, and there is this plasticky border I have given. So this is how it looks like. So this is another painting wherein I have made in same way. You guys can see how amateur it is. So here is yet another painting which I have made in the same way. So this is rose flower. I have made it with cotton material, very stiff cotton material. These have got different kind of rose flowers. There is white one, pink one, red one, and rose one. So and again, this one is a normal bowl, and I have done glass painting to it, and I have given a small detailing over here with the glitter sticks. And here is another one, and this one is made with woolen thread, and this is like woolen pom-poms, and I have stuck it in this plasticky thing. Similarly, there is one more thing right here. So for this pot, I have painted completely with golden paint, and here I have drawn something with silver paint. I really don't know what I have meant with this. And here is Ima. Ima baby. And here is one more pot wherein I have painted completely with black, and I have sticked a few plasticky sequins over here, and it's all random, and it's not that nice but still we have kept it over here. So this is our showcase, and there are few like beautiful items in this showcase, and there are few toys and soft toys, and here is my mom and dad, and that one is me being a kid, my brother being a kid while we were smaller, and here is another one, my mom and dad, and here is our wedding picture, engagement picture. That's me while I was studying in college. And here is our family picture. And by the way guys, this is the half sari, and this one is again designed and stitched by myself. This is a fish cut skirt, and a sari blouse, and half sari. And here is Ima's first birthday pictures. Photographer has given us a calendar of this year's with Ima's picture. So this is our puja room, and if you guys can see, I have painted this Krishna. This was actually of white color, completely a white color, and I have given brown shade over here and golden shade over his face, and blue dupatta, and I have given this small necklace and I have done this way before guys, I think 6 or 7 years back. പുട്ട് 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 തൊട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ ഈ കുട്ടി? ചന്ദനം തൊട്ടുണ്ടോ? ചന്ദനം കണ്ണെഴുതിയുണ്ടോ? കണ്ണ് എങ്ങനെ കണ്ണെഴുതിയേ? She's saying that she has applied kajal on her eyes and she has put bindi and what else? Lipstick ഇട്ടുണ്ടോ? ലിപ്സ്റ്റിക് എങ്ങനെയാ ലിപ്സ്റ്റിക് ഇട്ട്? ലിപ്സ്റ്റിക് ഇട്ടോ? Amma. She's saying that Amma has applied lipstick. So that's all the craft work. Please ignore my messy hair, guys, as usual. Sorry, a lot more were there, but as I said, it's been years, so we have thrown it away. Now I will just show you guys our garden. It's not garden, just all around, just to give you guys the glimpse. So here is this Mailanji, there is henna tree, and it's such a very big henna tree, guys. So I'm planning to use natural henna hereafter while I'm here, because I can just take these leaves and dry it in sunlight and just powder it and use this natural amazing henna to my hair rather than using store-bought one. And here is this curry leaves ka tree. And as you guys can see, it's big. So for cooking purpose and this oil. So for cooking purpose as well as to make hair oil, we take this curry leaf. We actually have one more curry leaf ka pet. We actually have one more curry leaf tree at the back side, which I will show you guys. And these are the beautiful, beautiful flowers. This one is rose. I really don't know its name. These are like really, really pretty one, guys. And again, this one is small tulsi plant. Here is again curry leaves over here, which is very, very small one. And these are all, I really don't know the name of these plants. So here is one jasmine flower one. And here is red chili. So here is the hibiscus plant, but this one is not red actually. This one is of a pinky peachy shade, and this one is really beautiful, guys. Oh, it came out. And here is spinach. Actually, we have a lot of spinach plant, and we usually make a curry and side dish with it. This one is red one. At the back side we also have green one, and this one is some tree. And then we also have few aloe vera plants over here. Here it is. This is the very big tulsi plant. Tulsi leaves are very good to treat acne as well as dandruff. So here are few banana plants, and we have got few coconut trees as well. And we actually had a doggy before, but right now it's not there. So we are putting our coconuts in this. So as you guys can see, this is our spinach garden. A small section is there. There is the red one, and here is the green one, and here is putina. This is the moringa tree. This moringa is very, very good for your health, especially to eyes as well as for your body. It's very, very good, especially for breastfeeding moms. It's very good. As I've told you earlier, there is a very big curry leaves tree. So this is the one. So here is one more coconut tree. We actually have 5 to 10 coconut trees at our home, and this is our well, and that's my top. Ignore it, guys, ignore it. So I don't know if you guys can see water. I think you guys can't. So a lot of you guys have been asking me about which coconut oil I use. As you guys have seen, we have almost 5 to 10 coconut trees at our home. So what we do is, like, we take those coconut and dry it in sunlight. Once it is completely dried, we take that to this mill, and those people, they take coconut oil from those coconut which we have dried, and that is the coconut oil we use for cooking as well as for our hair. I think most of the Kerala people who have coconut trees at their home. I think you guys must have enjoyed watching glimpses of my home and my small little garden. So I think I will stop here and see you guys soon. Bye.